A very warm welcome. You're watching your very own pit stop show for personal finance updates. I'm Shresha Tiwari. Let's take a look at what's in store for you tonight on Money Time. Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited has been barred from the futures and options segment of the NSE. The exchange said that Zee's F&O contract will not be extended after the expiry in February, but this will be effective from April 28, 2023. So investors who have already entered into the contract for the month of March and April will not be impacted. A few days ago, NCLT had initiated insolvency process against Zee Entertainment as the media company failed to maintain sufficient amount as a guarantor to City Cable loan from IndusInd Bank. However, on Friday, NCLAT stayed the order after Zee MD Puneet Goenka moved the tribunal on Thursday. PFRDA has made submission of select documents mandatory for NPS withdrawal. These documents are NPS exit or withdrawal form, proof of identity, proof of address, bank account proof and copy of permanent retirement account card number. Uploading of these documents will become mandatory from April 1st, 2023. This will make annuity payments faster and simpler. The pension body said that the move has been taken in the interest of subscribers and to benefit them with the timely payment of annuity income. And it looks like more investment opportunities are up for grabs. Care Ratings has said that banks are likely to issue bonds and other debt instruments in the coming times. To mop up capital for meeting a credit demand, banks are scouting for capital. Among debt instruments, banks are expected to issue mostly AT1 bonds, which generally attract interest of institutional investors. The credit rating agency has also said that banks will continue to hike fixed deposit interest rates to meet capital demand. This will give retail investors alternative instruments of investment. Talking about FD rates, ICICI Bank has again hiked FD rates. ICICI Bank will give as high as 7.1% on FDs of 15 to 18 months. Senior citizens will get 7.6% interest rate on this FD. On one-year deposits, regular account holders will get 6.7% interest rate. Senior citizens will get an additional rate of 0.50% on this FD, while on 5-year tax saver FD, general account holders will get 7% interest rate and senior citizens will get 7.5% on tax saver FDs. And another news from the investment world, according to Business Daily Mint, IDFC Mutual Fund is all set to launch India's first international debt fund. The scheme is IDFC US Treasury Bond 0 to 1 year FOF. The scheme will invest in exchange-traded fund, which in turn will invest in US Treasury bills. The scheme will invest in those US Treasury bills with 1 year expiry. Vishal Kapoor, the chief executive of IDFC AMC, has said that this fund will give investors an opportunity to diversify beyond India. It will also give investors an opportunity to hedge over exposure to dollar in a convenient way. Jindal Stainless Hisar Limited has fixed March 9, 2023 as the record date for its merger with Jindal Stainless. Its board had earlier approved merger with JSL with a swap ratio of 1:1.95. This means for each share of Jindal Stainless Hisar Limited, a shareholder will get 1.95 shares of JSL. This is expected to make the merged entity, that is JSL, feature in top 10 global stainless steel producers. On Friday, both these stocks closed in red. And Xiaomi is all set to launch Xiaomi 13 Pro smartphone on February 26, 2023, already launched in China. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon and houses up to 16 GB RAM. It will run on Android 13 OS and will sport 50 megapixel triple rear camera, and its price is touted to be around 1.06 lakh rupees. According to a survey by global professional services firm Aon Hewitt Global, corporate employees are expected to get double-digit pay hike of more than 10% in 2023. This is near about similar to what employees got in 2022. The professional services company also said that organizations had severely cut salary increments in 2020 and 2021 due to the pandemic. On the other hand, this year, companies dealing with technology platforms are expected to hand over highest pay hike. On attrition rate, Aeon said that India recorded an attrition rate of more than 21% in 2022. Layoffs was on a higher side in financial institutions and technology services firms and lowest in manufacturing and automotive firms. And in less than 2 months, LIC has lost nearly 47,000 crore rupees in Adani Group companies. This continues after the fourth week of Adani fiasco, and at the end of December 2022, LIC's gains stood at nearly 50,000 crore rupees in the group. Currently, this stands at merely 3,000 crore rupees according to the business standard. LIC has invested over 30,000 crore rupees in the group. The insurance juggernaut has lost a maximum wealth in Adani Total Gas and Adani Enterprises. Valuation of Adani Group has fallen rapidly since the release of the report by the Hindenburg Research, and the net worth of Group's chairman Gautam Adani has also eroded significantly. On January 23rd, he was the third richest person on earth, but now he is not even among the top 25. NSE has launched country's first Municipal Bond Index. The new Nifty India Municipal Bond Index will track performance of municipal bonds issued by the municipal corporations. Currently, the index has 28 municipal bonds, all are AA rated, and the base value of index will be 1000 while the base year is 2021. Raising money from capital markets will incentivize municipal corporations to fund new projects and improve civic infrastructure. State-owned NTPC has paid an interim dividend of more than 4,000 crore rupees to its shareholders in FY23. This translates to dividend of 4.25 rupees per share to its shareholders. NTPC has paid its dividends for 30 consecutive years. On Friday, the stock closed marginally higher at 171 rupees a piece on the BSE. SpiceJet's December quarter profit has jumped more than 4 times to 107 crore rupees. Revenue of the no-frills airline zoomed past 2,794 crore rupees in December quarter. SpiceJet's chairman and MD Ajay Singh has said that it has reported significant growth in revenue and net profit and on back of strong performance in both passenger and cargo businesses. He further said that air travel has come roaring back, touching newer heights. The airline looks forward to a robust and exciting 2023. On Friday, the stocks took wing on the bourses. It flew north of 12% before landing at 39 rupees a piece on the BSE. And that was the last on this week's Money Time. Keep watching Money9 as we come back with more on this personal finance bulletin next week. Until then, have a fabulous Friday night.